We've been just going chocolate crazy and everyone's been going baking crazy, including myself. And I'm going to show you how to make the everyday chocolate cake from my cookbook, Healthy Baking, which is on special right now, which is great as well. But it's one of my favorite cakes. It's easy to make with the kids. I'm going to make a double recipe and you'll see how easy it is to make. And it's a one bowl cake. You just throw it all in, like a dump it sort of a cake, put it in the oven and away we go. But I just want to show everybody, I'm going to start off with an apron today so I don't get myself all dirty. These are our little Healthy Chef aprons and they come in a nice little package like this. So this is our olive green colour. Look at that, beautiful. Cook with love in your heart and magic happens. And magic will happen if you cook with this apron. So I'm just gonna slide it over my head, tie it on, and away we go. So you'll notice that our naked chocolate is back as well. So I'm very happy to be cooking with that today as well. But it's about combining the dry ingredients first. So here we go. I'm doubling the recipe that's in the book. So we've got spelt flour here. We've got a generous pinch of sea salt. Now we've got 4 teaspoons of baking powder. 3, 4, and I might just add an extra one for good luck. And we have 1 cup of really rich dark cocoa powder or Healthy Chef naked chocolate. Now Healthy Chef naked chocolate is got beautiful dark rich cocoa powder from Belgium, and it's also got a little bit of cinnamon, sea salt, vanilla, some carob and some maca as well. So it's a combination of everything that makes it totally irresistible. So we'll be generous. So we're putting that into the bowl. And we're just giving that a little bit of a mix just so it combines together. So always combine the dry ingredients first. Now to this, we are going to put in the wet ingredients. And wet ingredients being, I've got extra virgin olive oil, a nice light flavoured olive oil. I've also got a nice pure maple syrup, a generous amount of vanilla. I've got 4 organic eggs. Now remember, I'm doubling the recipe that's in the book. And a nice generous cup of whatever milk you want. So I'm using an almond milk here, but you can use a buttermilk, you can use coconut milk, whatever you have in the fridge. Now it's all about mixing it all up until it combines. Beautiful. You'll notice it's silky, it's smooth, it's delicious, and it's ready to put into a baking tin. Now, this is the fun part. A lot of you on the weekend were wondering about my gorgeous little babka tin. Well, here it is, and this is how I line it. I've generously coated this with butter. You can do olive oil as well, and just some almond meal in there. You can even dust it with flour, but make sure it's really generously buttered and almond milled or floured to get all the little crevices. Let's pour it in. So now this goes into a preheated 160 degree oven for around about 45 minutes. Now we wait. Here we go. The moment of truth. It's ready. It's gorgeous. Look at that. It's beautiful. Look, I don't want to cut off the top. I think it's great when it's got a bit of height. And just to show everybody out there as well, I've also made a vegan version. So you don't need eggs as such if you're going totally 100% plant-based. And I've just replaced that with some flax eggs. So not a problem there. So it's a very versatile one bowl everyday chocolate cake. So here we go. Let's have a look. Oh wow. spectacular. It looks great. Okay, you can get rid of all those little crumbly bits and straighten that up. But this looks magnificent. Okay. So the ganache that we made earlier, I've got it here, and it's beautiful and it's silky and it's delicious. And I'm just gonna drizzle that all the way over the top of this cake. Now, if you were to bake it in a 20cm round baking tin, you would just either use a ganache or frost it with the beautiful yogurt chocolate frosting that I've got in the book. And I just want to be extra special for Easter. And just be a little bit lavish. And just let it drizzle and drip down the sides. Wonderful. And there you have it, my beautiful everyday chocolate cake from my cookbook, Healthy Baking. Enjoy, guys.